many reasons why you may want to fix your credit. Not just buying a house, but lots of other things are affected by credit. One, how much money you're going to be able to make. If you're not self-employed and you are working for someone else, they have a right to look at your credit for employment purposes, anything that's going to be over $70,000 a year. For the military, they're also looking at your credit report to see if you are a risk for security clearances. Being able to get an auto loan, that's also a factor. If the higher the credit score, the lower the interest you're going to pay. Your car insurance is affected 40% based off of your credit score. So having a good credit score means that you're a lower insurance risk and you're going to be able to get better rates for your auto. Another thing that's affected by credit scores is how much you're going to pay for financing jewelry. You know, Valentine's Day is coming up. You may be wanting to invest in a ring for your significant other. If you're not able to go in there and pay cash for that, that's also affected. I know a lot of people are thinking about fixing up their homes and doing home improvement. I hope to see everyone Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at the Kentucky Convention Center downtown at the Home Improvement Show. Again, my name is Julia King. We've helped thousands of people fix their credit. It's up to you if you want to follow instructions and get the results, or if you want to move forward with our services. We cannot help you with your credit report until you invest $1 in your credit with Identity IQ. Once you do that, it's like taking your car into the shop. We're able to diagnose the situation and see what's going on. Give me a call at 502-689-1001.